In today's video I'm gonna show you how to pair your DJI O3 unit to your DJI goggles. You will need your DJI O3 drone or unit, battery, something sharp, and of course goggles. Each DJI goggles, the pair button is different. Here on DJI Goggles 2, the pair button is right here. In some goggles could be somewhere else or could be in the menu in some part of sub-menu. First of all, you have to turn on the DJI goggles, which is short press and long press. So 1 and 2. And the goggles gonna start. First of all, you have to choose which unit you're gonna to connect. So you have to slide from your head to the front, then go to status, then go to switch and select DJI O3 unit. You can stay or go back to moving your finger back to your head. Now we could turn on the drone, which is easy, just plug the battery. And we're gonna wait until the O3 unit is gonna be on. Now the red light saying that it's not paired. Under the red light there is a button which we gonna press it and the red is gonna start blinking. Then we press the button right here or choose pairing in the goggles, and by the sound or by the color green here we could see the goggles are paired, or we can check it in the goggles that we could see the video.